I'm Maggie, aka Farmer Maggie, and I'm a food corps service member at the IRC. I work with students at Indian Creek Elementary School.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I'm the AmeriCorps Youth Futures Associate at the IRC. I work with students at Clarkston High School. This is the Home Garden Challenge. It is a challenge created by young people for the students in the Clarkston community to grow your own food at home.
We miss being in the garden at school with you, but this is a fun way to bring the garden to your home. So what exactly do you need to grow a garden?
Do you have a sunny window or an outside space?
Do you have a pot or materials to make your own pot?
Do you have some soil and water?
And finally, you will need seeds. We have seeds. We have bean seeds, tomato seeds, lettuce seeds, pepper seeds, flower seeds, and herb seeds. You can use the form at the link to order up to 3 kinds of seeds, and we will send them to you in the mail for free. Include your email address to get tips and videos of how to grow your own food at home. Click on the link below to order your seeds now.
We have limited seeds, so make sure you order them as soon as you can. The survey will close on May 8th or when we run out of seeds. To take the challenge, you must send us a picture or a video of your plants growing. You have until the end of school to order your seeds. Reach out to us if you are interested in making a video about the challenge.
We can't wait to see your plants grow.